Place the leg assembly on the floor as pictured. Turn the leg assembly 45 degrees while holding the top of the swivel plate steady until the hole in the bottom of the swivel plate aligns with a tab on the top swivel plate and insert locking pin. Place the leg assembly on the bottom of the seat cushion, aligning the holes in the bottom of the swivel plate with the holes in the bottom of the seat cushion. Insert one bolt with washer into each hole and hand tighten. Hand tighten all bolts. Then using the 4mm Allen wrench provided, fully tighten each bolt so that it's firmly against the bottom of the swivel plate. Retain wrench for future use in case bolts loosen, as they can possibly over time. Rotate leg assembly slightly to remove the locking pin. You're now ready to use your chair.